Hello everybody and welcome back to Brian Loves Blockchain. My name is Brian and every video we show you how to onboard onto crypto, read the news and give you some hints, tips and tricks. I'm coming at you today because I wanted to talk today about stablecoins and stablecoin interest. I'm not back at home in the studio, so I'm just doing a quick car video for you because I had a thought yesterday about how most people right now are earning, let's be honest, 0.05% interest APR on their money in the bank. And with cryptocurrency, you can earn 10 to 12% APR return on your investment. And it got me thinking, what is it that is holding people back getting into this new space? What is it that you are still so committed to in giving your money to a bank and earning 0.05 interest on it, which, by the way, they are loaning it out at about 7 to 10% interest. And they are doing that across 3 different people. Who knows who they're giving your money to, and they're earning 10 to 30%, then you could argue, on your money. So it's kind of like, what is it? What is it that you're afraid of here? Because when you look at these revolutions that happened, these technological revolutions, you went from a rotary phone to a touch dial to, a button dial of whatever the hell those things were called, flippy phone things, to a touch screen. And you transitioned quite fast in that. And the same again with a combustion engine into an electric vehicle. Everyone kind of transitioned into that. I could name, 10, 20 things where they were the same for so many years, and then you transitioned away from them and you found that your life was better. So what is it about this transition into a new finance? Now, I get it. It's finance. It's never transitioned. There's nothing in your time, even your grandparents' times, where finance revolutionized so fast. I mean, we had currency changes. We went from the pound to the euro to the blah, blah, blah. Insert country's currency, and it's changed there. But no one alive today has gone through such a radical change in currency. Sure, we had the checks, the shunk, but then you went to the ATMs and then you went to tapping the card, and all that transition was quite fast. And so you were on board like you were with the phones and the cars. But when you actually change the nature of finance itself, it's hard to get your head around it. And I understand why so many of you out there haven't made that transition. Is it safe? Is it insured? How do I get access to it? What will my bank say? Blah, 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 blah. All those thoughts that are there to stop you from evolving. But the reality is, these cryptocurrencies and these online exchanges are no different than your online bank. They really aren't. And it's just a case of linking your bank account to them, sending money over to them, buying a stable coin, which is basically a coin that is pegged 1-to-1 to the US dollar, and putting it there and then giving it and leaving it on the exchange to provide liquidity and getting paid 10 to 12% APR. That's insane. That's insane. If anyone here can tell me how to get 10 to 12% APR safely, I'll go and do that. But right now, inflation's at around 6%, probably more. Don't believe that it's down quite low and everything's fine, because it's not. So your dollars are now not worth what they used to be. You're now not getting interest. In certain countries, it's negative interest. They're actually taking money off you, like the guile of that. Taking money off you to store your money with them. The guile is ridiculous. So if you're in a bank account still with some of your wealth, then at least consider putting 10% of it, 50%, 5%, something of it in there to counteract inflation. Put it in a stable coin. You don't have to buy Bitcoin. You don't have to buy Ethereum. You don't have to deal with those swings and all that stuff that freak you out, that stopped you getting into the market in the first place. You can buy a stable coin that's pegged 1-to-1 to the US dollar. Like, please tell me below why you haven't done this already. What are the issues you're facing? What are your fears around it? What is it that you can't get your head around? And please also tell me down below where you are doing this, if you are doing it, and what interest you are getting on yours, because we all really need to help each other in this. I'm here to support anyone who wants to do that, you can go to the Facebook page, Brian Onboards to Crypto. There you can chat to me. I post some articles about these things, so I can onboard you onto these things if you wish. If not, then just have a look at my videos. Brian Loves Blockchain. Type in stablecoin into YouTube and just start researching these things. Get familiar with how to protect your wealth, because the government isn't doing it for you. It's not doing it for you. It's printing money like it has endless amounts of supply, but it doesn't, because every round that it prints this money takes away from the value of the money that you are holding. It's that simple. And so you have to do something. So if you're too worried about buying Bitcoin or Ethereum or fill in the cryptocurrency of your choice, have a look into stablecoins. Earn some passive income. Get paid every week and every month for earning this passive income, and then put it back in and compound that. It's the best, easiest, quickest thing you can do, and it's the safest thing you can do with your money at this time. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one.